Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the C Sharp and .NET programming document registration number URK93S1080, experiment number 10 Windows Form applications. And I am to create Windows Form application description. Windows Form provide the product with components such as dialog boxes, menus, buttons, several many controls. Windows application user interface fundamentally these controls are .NET framework class library. The designer visuals C Sharp Express Edition. The IDE automatically adds the source code, create the initially appropriate class and initialize it. The first step to build a form. Open your Visual Studio and select File New Project and File New Project dialog box and select other languages. Visual Studio C Sharp Windows Form application. Enter a project name button dialog and button click OK button. Calculator program using system dot collections generic using system collection component model using system data using system drawing using system link using system text using system threading tasks using system dot vendor dot framework forms namespace character public partial class form one form public form initialize components private void label click object sender event arcs. We provide private void label click one object sender event arcs per private void pattern one click object sender event arcs text box one text private void box button 7 click object sender event arcs text box one text plus text button 7 dot text private void button 8 clicks object sender dot event arcs e text box one dot text plus button 8 dot text private void button 12 click object sender event arcs text box one dot text plus button is equals to button 12 dot text private void button 9 click object sender event arcs e text box one dot text plus is equals to button 9 dot text private void button 11 click object sender event arcs text box one dot text plus is equals to button 11 dot text private void button 13 click object sender event arcs text box one dot text plus is equals to button 13 dot text private void button 15 click object sender event arcs if text box one text dot plus is equals to button 15 dot text and private void with 17 click object sender event arcs text box one dot text plus is equals to button 17 dot text box one dot text is equals to text box one dot text private void button 2 click object sender event arcs data table dt is equals to no data table try string a is equals to dt dot compute text box one dot text to string text box one dot text is equals to a catch exception error text box one dot text is equals to syntax error public private void label to click object sender event arcs public private void button and text box one dot text is equals to plus 6 button 6 provide void form one dot object sender event arcs and let's see the output and calculator open 70 plus 2 divided by 2 star 2 into 2 minus 2 and let's see the output calculator is 70. Second one database operations program using system dot collection dot generic using system component model using system data SQL client using system data using system drawing using system link using system text using system training task using system Windows form namespace Windows form application to public partial class form one form public form one string source is equals to data source of 4th USB and initial catalog URL 1080 and integrated security SSP1 SQL connection con SQL connection com dot con open SQL command enter command and delete form experiment 10a con into query result into command execute non query initializer component pub private void one button one click object sender and let's say the command SQL varchar 22 value and text box one dot text box two dot text console dot close private void button two and let's and text box one dot text and text box two dot text output and we can see here name ID and name Suresh ID 6 Ramesh 2 Ram 3 and result the program have been implemented successfully and output is verified. Thank you guys by watching this video.